Discover the secret to a healthier, happier you with ashwagandha. This ancient herb is revolutionizing the health world, and here's why you need to know about it. Ashwagandha is taking the health world by storm. But why? Ashwagandha is an ancient herb that's been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine. It's known as an adaptogen, which means it helps your body handle stress. But wait, there's more. This magical herb can boost your energy levels, improve your mood, and even sharpen your focus. Feeling anxious? Ashwagandha can help with that too. Studies show it can reduce anxiety and lower cortisol levels, your body's main stress hormone. But that's not all. It can also help improve your sleep, making those restless nights a thing of the past. And for all you fitness fans out there, ashwagandha can enhance muscle strength and recovery. So why not give it a try? Add a little ashwagandha to your daily routine and see the difference it can make. Your mind and body will thank you. Stay healthy, stay happy. Catch you next time.